With that just down there. Down you go. Yep, yep, yep. Okay. All right. Okay, so then what we're doing here is we're going through the sequence. So this foot turns in 45 degrees, that way. This comes out here, stretching the inside left thigh. Hand on the right hip. Looking to the right, seeing the shoulder, and then we know we've got the full rotation. Then you put your hands up, slip onto here, independent of breath. Yep. The mechanical, so you're pushing down there and you wanted the whole rib cage, this area, to come up. Up you go. Wee, and down. And up. See, I love doing this with people. So with great respect, Sriya is a Maha Yogini with no ribcage movement. So this is super common. She's really flexible in the lumbars, thoracic, not much happening. So if you hop up, I'm going to demonstrate what we're looking for. So it's a matter of me using my own body as a mentor. So then Priya's nervous system, Shriya, the connection of brain, motor control, neural connection from brain to muscle, the brain knows what to actually do. If not, if you tell a person, breathe, move your ribcage out, and just give them an auditory cue, what is that? Okay, so if you come around behind me and put your hand flat on here, there. Now that's not me doing any of this, it's pure thoracic, spine, side bending and ribcage movement. See that? It's quite an excursion, what's called the ribcage excursion. So now I've demonstrated, we'll come back and we'll try and get a little, even if it's 1 millimeter. 1 mil. There. I'm going to monitor here. I'm going to give a little bit of assistance by bringing the lower ribs up. And then down. Oi! And down. It's happening, but if she practices, she'll get it. Then the arm comes up and over. The classical yoga pose is that. But I'm bringing a bit of technical information here, so we're externally rotating. Very interesting. So what happens is, by the usage of your thumb, this is shoulder internal rotation and collapse, kyphosis, neck issues, shut down, diaphragm, restricted breathing. But if we actually switch on the shoulder external rotators by bringing the thumbs out, guess what happens? We start activating all these back muscles and the whole sternal lifts. So as we're doing the pose, we're actually doing an external rotation. Doing an external rotation, which is that, and we're dipping down. Now, that's the straight asana. But what I'm encouraging you all to consider is bringing in the breathing into this. So as you breathe in, this comes up and the arm lengthens. Breathe in, breathe in, breathe in, breathe in, breathe in. Keep breathing in, breathe in. Hold, hold, hold. Then, so you want to hear that whole audible all the way, all the way, all the way. Then you know that you're fully extending. That was it.
That was it.
Now some of you may get lightheaded. Now a little bit of respiratory physiology here. It's so interesting. So as yoga teachers, we want more breath. Breathe in, breathe in, breathe in. But the actual lungs work and the whole ribcage diaphragm works the opposite. So the more you breathe out, 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 the actual pressure, intrathoracic pressure drops. And then in flows the in-breath. So if you want more of an in-breath, which we want to exaggerate that, together with ribcage excursion, that's something beautiful to offer yoga students. So how to maximize the exhalation? Sound. Hold, hold, hold. And then the lower pressure gradient in the intrathoracic, you automatically get that lovely deep inhalation. Breathe out. Hold, hold, hold. And there's the lengthening on the inhalation. This is really easy to incorporate into a basic yoga, 101 class. Okay, so that's the end of part 1, which is around breath.